Disney's Riviera Resort is one of Disney's deluxe resorts, and it's full on Mediterranean magic right in the middle of Disney World. Today, I'm going to share with you the entire mom to mom scoop on why Riviera can be your next holiday dream retreat. From stunning views to easy park access, it's a resort that really makes your vacation feel like an escape. The rooms here are gorgeous and convenient. Whether you book a tower studio for the two of you or a 1, 2, or 3 bedroom villa for the entire team, the Riviera's got you covered. The decor is European chic and the beds are so comfy, and the whole place just smells fresh and clean. But my favorite thing about this resort is it's more compact and not highly spread out like a lot of the other deluxe resorts at Disney World. So everything is just close enough for all your needs. Oh, and the balconies. Sunrise over the water and the Skyliner, you bet. Pour yourself that cup of coffee because you've earned this. Then there's the pool. Riviera has an amazing feature pool with a slide for the kids, a splash pad for the toddlers, and there's also a quiet space for us moms. There's even a serene leisure pool over on the side. The pool overlooks the lagoon and the Skyliner, and next to the pool, there's a play activity lawn with bocce ball and lots of activities. Also, the s'mores pit is on the water. This just really is my favorite resort, and it's just a truly relaxing atmosphere here. And here's the final thing that really sets Riviera apart. It's the Skyliner. It's your own gondola ride to EPCOT or Hollywood Studios. No bus stress, just flying over it all. And my 9-year-old calls it our Disney Sky Limo. The Riviera is elegant without being off limits to families. You're going to feel spoiled, and the kids are still going to have a blast. And don't skip Bar Riva. It has great drinks, great food, and open air seating. It's one of our go-to mom recharge spots. Next up, we're going to lay out the top places to eat at Riviera, one of my favorites with rooftop views. So stay tuned for this to drop in the next few months. And whether you're preparing to plan your next Disney vacation or just daydreaming, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next mom to mom resort review. And check out the description to get connected to a free travel planner or to check out our online shop and social media where we share more information.